Hello, scientists. We are back for another sky patterns lesson. This is lesson 8 in our science sky unit. Our essential question is, how long is the sun in the sky? Hopefully you brought your science notebook with you. Grab your science notebook if you forgot it. Just go ahead and hit pause while you run and get it. Let's read directly from our science textbook. So Bring Science Alive, Exploring Science Practices from TCI. How long is the sun in the sky? The sun is in the sky from sunrise to sunset. When does the sun rise? When does it set? Number 1, sunrise to sunset. Think about when you went to bed last night. Had the sun set? The sun may set long before your bedtime. It may set after you go to bed. The sun sets at different times. Our science words, season. The sun rises at different times too. It may rise long before you wake up. It may rise after you wake up. The sun does not always rise and set at the same time. Is there a pattern? Number 2, summer and fall. Summer and fall are seasons. What is summer like for you? How is fall different? The first day of summer is the longest day of the year. The sun rises very early. Before you wake up, it sets very late. You may go to bed when it is still light outside. Summer days are long, but each day gets a little shorter. The sun rises a little later. It sets a little earlier. The days get shorter and shorter. By the end of fall, the days are much shorter than they were in the summer. It gets dark before you go to bed. Number 3, winter and spring. Winter and spring are the seasons that come next. What is winter like for you? How is spring different? The first day of winter is the shortest day of the year. The sun rises very late. It sets very early. You go to bed long after the sun sets. Winter days are short, but each day gets a little longer. The sun rises a little earlier. It sets a little later. The days get longer and longer, and by the end of spring, the days are much longer than they were in the winter. Lesson summary. The sun is in the sky from sunrise to sunset. Some days are longer and some days are shorter. The longest day is the first day of summer. The shortest day is the first day of winter. Homework. Do pages 14 and 15 in your workbook. Your parents can read to you. The pages look like these below. We'll see you soon.